Okay, now that is done, I am all signed in. And on the home screen of the Hale Kuamoʻo Store, you will be able to find the courses in our bestsellers section, which is the home page. And once you scroll all the way down at the bottom of the page, you will find Ika'aka's class, which is Papaholamua Pai Elua, as well as Pomekai's beginner class, Pai Ekahi. So whichever one you have signed up for or is attempting to register for, you will just select that course. And for this example, I will use Pomekai's, and then you will add it to your cart. And then you will view cart and checkout right here. And you can just follow the steps after you choose your delivery method, and just go along from there. I hope this helps. Mahalo.